Remember when you were a child and anything was possible? Where your only worries in the world were how to have more fun. You played and you designed things and you were creative. Nothing else in the world mattered. It was simply about enjoying your life and making the most of it. Then your days grew into nights and life got complicated and you got stressed and overwhelmed and life just simply turned into something you didn't think it was going to be. Well, I have news for you, my friend. You still have time to choose what kind of path you want to take, what road you want to walk down, and what life you want to choose. You get to design your own life and pick where you're going to go. All of these choices are completely up to you. You have the power to design your life.